Hi Bjørn, how are you doing there? Isn't it about time to come back to nice, cold, white and icy Norway? The reason why I'm on your screen today is because we bought something very interesting. And something interesting is Mercedes EQC. As you see, it's been standing here for quite long. We bought it um, just before Christmas. Let me dig this now and I will show you how it looks inside and what's the problem with it. Mercedes has been redefining luxury and innovation since its inception, and in the electric era they introduced the groundbreaking Mercedes EQC. The EQC, Mercedes' first fully electric SUV, was built in Bremen, Germany, and also assembled in Beijing for the Chinese market. Over 80,000 units were produced globally from its launch in 2019 until production ended in 2023. Under the hood, or rather the floor, the EQC boasts an 80 kW battery pack, giving the WLTP range up to 417 km. Its dual electric motors deliver an impressive 408 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque, launching this luxury SUV from 0 to 100 km per hour just in 5.1 seconds. So let's see what's happening when I try to start it. I think I hear the conductors close. Maybe not. So information from last owner was that he was at a dealer, and dealer says drive unit and battery is broken and has to be replaced. I don't know how it sounds for you, but for me at least it doesn't often happen that both things gets broken, but of course it's possible. The 12-volt battery is just 7 volts. Shit, I have to find the booster. So as you see, it's quite a lot of space under frunk. Quite easy to come to the 12-volt battery. I have to say that this is my first time with Mercedes EQC, and I am very excited. If I haven't told before, I'm a Mercedes fan, probably because my first Mercedes was my first car was Mercedes. Right, we have 11.7 volts. Some systems such as acceleration do not respond. Turn off ignition and lock vehicle for 5 minutes. Okay. Electric motor, 9-speed automatic transmission. 2020 model, maybe. I think it's 2022, but not so important. Stop immediately. Drive will be deactivated. Charge high voltage battery. But it's charged. It's fully charged. 285. Many EQC's equipments. Diagnostic has started. Do you have many Mercedes fans on the other side of the screen? Yeah, Mercedes is a good car, or at least it was a good car. Nice black roof, sunroof, leather seats. Switch climate control off so it doesn't use 12-volt battery. Are we done? No, 93%. Okay, brake caliper malfunction, no communication, under voltage, power, battery power. Power supply too low, instrument cluster, tire monitor control unit, parking system, front signal acquisition control unit. Oh, that's a lot of faults. Rear SAM signal. Okay. Electronic ignition lock control unit, power steering, air condition. Alright. Drive train control unit, communication with doors. And that's a lot of faults with nothing interesting. Head-up unit, keyless go control unit, headlights, left headlights, steering wheel. Oh. Okay, this might be interesting. Battery management system. The contact negative terminal of contactor A in the high voltage battery is jammed or open. It is active. Power supply is to system is too low. Okay, this might be because of 12-volt battery. Negative terminal contactor A high voltage jammed or open. Power supply. Okay, so we probably have something to do with the high voltage battery. The rest of the faults is probably because the 12-volt battery was down. Yeah. Let's try to erase and see which faults will stay here. So probably those will be important. So let's see. Start the car. No faults left, but yeah, probably a mistake because the car doesn't start anyway. Says malfunction in the panel. So what's left is contactor, negative terminal A in high voltage battery is jammed. Sound generator for electric vehicles is too low. So what can I say? Probably we have to take down the battery. If you have a Mercedes same like this, or you have the same fault, let me know in the comments. Maybe you can help me to sort out what's the problem with this car. Thank you. By the way, it has nice original MG rims. Tires are fucked up. Car has passed EU control not so long time ago. Is it it? No? Yeah, no, it's for the seats. Where's the heat? No, don't work, or don't want to work probably because of other faults. The rest of the car looks pretty nice. Nice blue color. Of course, the mileage is quite high, but I'm very excited to more not to test drive it, but more to find the fault and fix it. So let's see if we manage. How do you think? Can Model X pull our trailer out of the snow? I bet not. Let's try. Neblogai, ką? I'm on the way home and suddenly I see this. Wow. Can somebody explain what is this? It's like oil, spilled oil in the water, but just on not on the water, but in the sky, like a rainbow.